In this video, I want to show you how to input your paper in your Brother MFC-J1260W printer. So let's get started. So first of all, the paper tray is located on the front. You're going to take this drawer and you're going to simply pull it towards yourself. Now you see these are some green guides that you can move around depending on which paper size you're going to input. You have all the formats written over here. So if, like me, you simply want to use letter size, you're going to bring this until you're beside the LTR. This is for letter size. You also have these guides over there. You see, I'm pinching, and I will simply bring them towards the extremity where it says over here LTR again. If you're going to print on legal size paper, you need to extend this tray simply by pressing this button and by pulling it. You see, it extends this way so you can print on legal size. But I'll simply put it back, take my stack of paper, make sure everything is aligned, and I'll simply guide it between these two green things. Put the paper there and simply push it back. I'll put links towards Amazon if you want to get some paper that is good and also cheap for this Brother printer. So check my links, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.